Not the best, not the cheapest, not even officially a EDC light. The WUBEN G5 wants to play a different game altogether. It wants to be something more sophisticated, something more unique. It's this sci-fi looking light that wants to impress you with build quality and not overall with price. Spoiler alert, it is a good light and it is an affordable light, but don't buy it just because people are selling it as a budget EDC light, because it's not that, it's something else. In this review, you will be able to see the specs, the operating modes, how it compares with the competitors, the good versus the bad, and hopefully be able to conclude if this type of torch is something that you want in your pocket. Possible discount codes or affiliate links will be available in the description should you want to support the channel. So let's start describing these products. The specs, because everybody likes to discuss the specs. The WUBEN G5 is a white and RGB emitting light. It is able to swivel its light emitting LEDs 180 degrees, will be able to output between 2 and 400 lumens of white light. Its battery capacity is 450 milliamps, which ensures 65 hours of 2 lumens and 50 minutes of 400 lumens. In its maximum intensity, it will output the light up to 82 meters. It's able to be dropped from 1 meter and still survive, and it should be weighing up to 52 grams. Now, with regards to the operation of this type of torch, it doesn't work like normal products with just pressing on the power button. And first of all, the security lock, you need to slide it one position. Be mindful of not sliding two positions, because if you're doing that, you're revealing the charging port, and if water starts to get in, it will corrode USB-C connectors, and it's a shame to destroy the products due to that. With the security off, one click gives you white light. 2 short clicks after that gives you the maximum intensity. 2 short clicks brings it back. In the normal light mode, if you move the toggle, you're able to adjust the light intensity. This was the thing that won me over. Long press on the power button will cycle into the RGB mode. Here, moving the toggle will change the color. You're not able to change the light intensity. 2 short clicks will move it into a strobe mode that will keep the color that you have selected. 1 click, you're switching it off. 1 click, you're switching it on again. 1 click on, long click, back to white mode. 1 click off. 2 fast clicks, one after the other, with the light off, gives you a beacon of 2 colors, red and blue. Now if we do 2 short clicks, we cycle to red and green. 2 short clicks, red and yellow. 2 short clicks, red and blue again. 1 click, we are off. 1 click, we are on. Holding the power button with the light off will give you an indicator of the state of charge of the battery. Security lock in the locked position, nothing happens with regards to the light output. Side clip, pull on it perpendicularly, you have access to it. You're able to switch it to the front, switch it to the side. Be mindful to grab it from this grabbing point. It will make your life easy or easier to operate. Some people might want to use it with this lanyard, quite useful to have if you're going for a walk. Some people might want a more discreet way of holding it without it completely. It is able to sit flusher on metal surfaces. Be mindful that the magnet is not very powerful and the unit can drop. Direct competitors for the G5 would be Nightcore, the Tiki series of products, the Rovivon, the Olight, and the Burut. The majority of the other products are more expensive. From a quality point of view, the WUBEN is something very similar to the Rovivon, but the key selling point is that they managed to generate this product at a much lower price. You're not touching a Rovivon without 30-ish, 40-ish pounds in the UK. The good versus the bad. Light quality and light pattern are spot on. It is a floodlight type of device. Light intensity can be precisely adjusted, which is the key selling point in my opinion for this one. It has this 180-degree swiveling head, which makes it quite versatile, and if you couple that with its size and weight, it's something that will definitely fit well in your backpack, in your pocket, as a first source of light or even as a backup. The addition of the ambient light gives a bit of more flexibility. You can use it for signaling, you can use it for other applications. The bad bits, I would start with the fact that you need to go to uni to know how to operate this one. I would really appreciate to have something similar with the other products, simple push the power button and you get maximum intensity. Here, if I push the power button, I get the LED indicator with regards to the charge. Okay, next, this slider, this lock is quite iffy, and when you activate it, you go from locked to charging, which would lead for many people to get water or all sorts of debris in this place, affecting the reliability of the product. The magnet, although present, you'll notice that it's not the strongest out of them all, so don't rely just on it when securing this device to any surface. WUBEN has managed to design something that is really beautiful and high quality. It is seriously impressive how they were able to deliver everything at the £20 price point. This unit feels very similar to the expensive WUBEN devices, and if you place it next to an iPhone 16, it looks similar, it gives the same quality feeling. The G5 is able to deliver enough usable light in this compact form factor. It is able to hit the balance, the right balance between brightness, battery life and form factor. I can say that this would be a light that many people would consider as a backup light, or even as a light in an emergency situation in a vehicle, or let's say that if you're going on a short trip or a night walk, you will not feel the need of anything more than this. Also be on the lookout for the other products that WUBEN has created. Strangely enough, I would say that this is one of the no-brainer purchases that you can do from them. V20 review is here. Other content on the channel might be useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.